The future is our kids, so they will define what it will be. I just want them to know that it will not be oil. It's just a matter of changing the way we are thinking. There is electricity everywhere. Okay, any house has an electricity plug, and no one has a gas station in his home. My father had an electric car. It was not a performance car at all, it was just a car which is not polluting at all. It was a way for him to improve the way he's using energy. My next car will be an electric one, but I need to find a car that I can use in my life every day. I didn't want to buy an hybrid car, I want a full electric car because I believe in it, as my parents show me that it's possible. When I got the Tesla, I was able to say, okay, I am part of the electric movement as a Tesla owner. I can be involved in this and make the change happen. I was looking for a job that can help to bring more EVs on the market. We have one project which is working on electrifying the school bus. Kids, when they are going to schools, if they go to schools with an electric vehicle, it's put in their mind that, okay, electric mobility is possible, okay, it works. My son is 11 years old now. They're asking me, okay, where do we start the car? What are the options? And they are playing with the screen on the car. Their interest is inside the Tesla. It's already inside them that having an oil car is not an option. They know that their car will be electric. The first car they want to drive will be electric. I'm very proud of that. I'm Stéphane Pascalon, and Tesla is part of our life since 2013.